If you look at this question, it's a descriptive question. I'll read it. Sachin and Rahul attempted to solve a question. Sachin made a quadratic equation. We'll say that the quadratic equation was like this: ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. There are two people, all right? There are two people. One is Sachin and the other person is Rahul. Okay. So it's told in the problem, Sachin made a mistake in writing down the constant term. The constant term, what he did was wrong actually. Constant term was wrong. And he ended up with the roots called 4, 3. Okay. So let's say that let alpha and beta be the roots of this quadratic equation. Be the roots. Similarly, Rahul made a mistake in writing the coefficient of x and ended up with the roots called 3, 2. So all of you should see here. We can say that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. When Sachin made a mistake in writing the c value, alpha into beta would go wrong, but alpha plus beta should be equal to minus b divided by a should be equal to 4 plus 3 should be equal to 7. This should be correct only, right? According to his roots, sum of roots should be correct. Product of roots should have gone wrong, but sum of roots should be correct. Here, b term is here, no? So, sum of roots should have gone wrong, but product of roots alpha into beta should be equal to 3 into 2 should be equal to 6. This should be correct. So, now what is that quadratic equation? X square. So, quadratic equation, the correct quadratic equation is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. X square minus 7x plus 6 should be equal to 0. This is the correct quadratic equation. Here the question is not asking for quadratic equation. Now what are the roots is the question asking. So we'll take the sum and the product. Is it okay? Minus 7 and plus 6, which is nothing but minus 6 and minus 1. So obviously the correct roots will be what and what? Invert the sign of factors and divide by the coefficient of the highest degree term here. So what should be the answer to the question? 6, 1 will be the answer to the question.